It now appears there is a cause for the continual decline in Tesla shares following what appears to be the hardest week for Tesla and its investors. In the recent weeks, the automaker has experienced a series of downturns, from fewer deliveries to weaker than anticipated earnings. Now, another sale of Tesla stock by the CEO of the company raises the question of when the stock's low point will be achieved. Hey guys, glad to see you back. Tesla shares S&P 500's 465th worst performance this year was Tesla, which has dropped by more than 50%. Although the revenue and sales figures for Tesla stock have been quite excellent, these figures have not really been represented in the stock price. Despite Tesla's operating leverage and its $7.82 billion net new debt, the company's stock price has kept declining. In the third quarter of this year, Tesla was able to raise the leverage ratio to 0.85 above the industry average. Even though it is currently only marginally profitable, Tesla still enjoys operating leverage that will greatly increase its profitability as production and sales continue to soar. Additionally, Tesla benefits from being the pioneer in the EV industry. Long-term, this advantage will undoubtedly gradually disappear. Therefore, the automaker will need to keep costs low to meet its objective of selling more cars at a bigger profit margin. However, if it continues to build on its invention, it might be able to maintain this lead, albeit it will take a lot of work from the automaker. Tesla stock's downward trend is still present. Keep watching to find out. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications if you enjoy this kind of material to be informed about everything Tesla is doing. The company's 4680 battery sales are coming in faster than anticipated in 2020, indicating that Tesla's fundamentals are still strong. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated during the company's Battery Day that a new battery cell is being developed to reduce costs, increase range, and enable power-hungry future products like the Cybertruck and semi-cargo hauler. However, 2 years after Musk made this announcement, the production round for this battery is still in its early stages, despite Musk's prediction that Tesla will be producing enough new batteries for 1 million vehicles. Tesla acknowledged that it has been more difficult than anticipated to deliver on a number of sales volume producing steps. Tesla, however, is now estimating a sizable output by the end of the year in preparation for a mid-2023 launch of a Cybertruck. The automaker claims that it is producing a respectable amount each week and will probably be in high volume by the end of the year. During the conference call that followed the publication of Tesla's Q3 financial results, Tesla CFO Zachary Kirkwood also revealed that the 4680 ramps are proceeding well, with overall output increasing 3 times per quarter and production tracking to surpass 1,000 cells per week this quarter. Before we continue, here's something for you if you're seeking for a reliable method of finding stocks on the stock market. Finding the appropriate stocks for them and keeping track of their gross performance might be challenging for some investors. It is therefore essential to take this step before investing. This is why we're excited to announce our collaboration with Moomoo, which will give you access to a simple platform for trading stocks and interacting with other investors. Users of the online trading platform Moomoo can track market trends and conduct in-depth analysis while trading. With Moomoo, you may buy ETFs and options as well as practice trading without risking any of your own money. More than 19 million users of this platform have access to investing communities, real-time data, and AI-powered investing tools. In addition, Moomoo is offering free stocks for deposits of $100 to $2,000 and, in celebration of its 10-year anniversary, is offering new members a $10 cash coupon. You will receive a $10 welcome gift when you sign up and make a deposit using the link below. Since this is a limited-time deal, we can't promise that it will still be available in a month. Although there are a lot of hopes for the 4680 battery cell, sign up to receive this offer before returning to the video. Since the majority of children earlier stated that Tesla is presently producing its cars with 2170 cells, Tesla is not dependent on the cells for this year. The Tesla CEO further underlined that, even though it has been a difficult year for Tesla, the company has enough 2170 cells to meet all of its car production needs for the rest of the year and is not dependent on 4680 cells. The automaker continues to maintain high values for both its revenue and deliveries, since there have been major headwinds in each quarter and circumstances outside the automaker's control. Tesla has not had a good quarter this year. The Wall Street Journal stated that the 254,695 automobiles that Tesla supplied to consumers declined by 93.95 and were below the FactSet analysis consensus, indicating that Tesla delivered fewer vehicles in the second quarter than analysis had anticipated. The projected and protracted shutdown in China, supply chain issues, and difficulties constructing two new plants in Germany and Texas were cited as the causes of this decline in Tesla's key deliveries. As a result of numerous logistics problems, Tesla also reported less deliveries in Q3. The automaker reported 343,830 vehicle deliveries for the third quarter, which fell short of Wall Street expectations of 358,000 to 371,000. The majority of these factors have an impact on Tesla's stock price as well as its deliveries. After multiple decreases in the stock, Musk recently sold Tesla shares, which caused the stock price to plummet. Following Musk's sale, Tesla shares fell more than 7% and finished at $177.59, the company's lowest share price since approximately November 2020. The sale of 19.5 million Tesla shares was valued at close to $4 billion, per three documents filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Musk did not explain on Twitter why he sold these shares, but it is conceivable that the proceeds went towards his $44 billion acquisition of Twitter deal. There is hope that most corn won't have to sell any of Tesla's shares in the future, despite the fact that this has caused a lot of commotion among Tesla investors. Over time, revenue growth and profit have also increased, and Tesla will greatly benefit from these total net sales and net profits of the car industry. In spite of margins being severely hampered by chip shortages, rising raw material prices, and decreased demand in the first quarter, they increased 12 and 15 respectively year over year. The market for the production of automobiles was estimated to be worth $2.86 trillion in 2021 and is anticipated to reach $2.95 trillion in 2022. In addition, Tesla was the most valuable automotive brand in the world as of June 2022 and was in the top 15 most valuable brands overall in 2021. The electric car with a plug-in charger, Tesla Industry for Sales Tesla, continues to be the industry leader in terms of vehicle production and delivery, despite rumors that the company may have lost market share in several of its key markets. Tesla just reduced the price of its vehicles in China, foreshadowing potentially escalating competition in the largest auto market in the world. The stock price of the corporation dropped by 6% as a result of this action, probably as a result of investor concerns that sluggish economic growth and more competition would endanger the vehicle company's profitability and supremacy in the EV industry. Tesla has been able to frequently boost prices because of the high demand for its vehicles up until recently, but it's possible that the automaker may no longer be able to do so, a problem that high levels of rivalry from local Chinese firms that are all attempting to enter the European markets with reasonably priced electric vehicles, like SAIC Motor and NIO. There is no question that this rivalry won't be able to drive Tesla out of the Chinese market. Tesla has a number of safety boosts that are necessary in difficult situations like these. The automaker can lower prices while still turning a profit. The company's gross margins and profits are still rising to new highs despite a number of price increases. Tesla attributed these price increases to rising inflationary prices, rising raw material costs, and rising logistics costs. The worry may be that Tesla will likely survive any challenges if the economy remains in a prolonged recession and the stock market remains down because the automaker has managed to cut its production costs in half. Additionally, Tesla has a deflationary product that will nonetheless generate sufficient demand in all of its markets during periods of deflation. According to Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment, only businesses with a competitive innovation edge may prosper during periods of deflation. According to Wood, the slower economic growth will force a return to the kinds of businesses that can expand regardless of external economic factors, giving Tesla an advantage over many of its rivals. Innovation from Tesla has been outstanding and will probably continue as long as the company is there. Do you agree? Don't forget to share your opinion of Tesla in the comments section below. Click the next video that appears on your screen if you want to learn more about what Tesla has been up to recently. Hello there.